Almost as soon as the ink had dried on President Trump's executive order, it was being appealed. Lawyers were camped out at airports. A number of different cases have come before the court. The first prevented US immigration officials from deporting anyone who'd come to the US from those 7 countries or as a refugee since the ban took effect. But it didn't take long for lawyers to challenge the executive order more widely, and cases have been filed from coast to coast. A court in Massachusetts temporarily halted President Trump's executive order, allowing those affected to fly to the US again. But then a week later, in a victory for President Trump, the same court ruled that travel ban was back on. But it only took a day for the executive order to be blocked again, this time by a court in Seattle. Lawyers there argued that President Trump's travel restrictions would hurt their economy because they relied so heavily on immigrants.
The law is a powerful thing. It has the ability to hold everybody accountable to it, and that includes the President of the United States.
President Trump has been tweeting his support for his law, and his administration say they'll fight all these legal challenges.
And it's just frustrating to see a federal judge in Washington state conducting American foreign policy or making decisions about our national security.
So we can expect these court rulings to go backwards and forwards. Whoever's on the losing side is likely to appeal, and so on. It could take months for this case to eventually reach the US Supreme Court, the highest law of the land, but it's likely that it will. The current confusion around President Trump's travel restrictions leaves those affected in a bit of a limbo. Donald Trump says his executive order is designed to keep Americans safe, but ultimately it'll be down to America's judges to have the final say.